Advanced driver assistance systems, often referred to as driver aids and safety systems, are designed to increase vehicle safety and enhance the driver's experience through automated and adaptive technologies. These systems include functions like park assistance, rear collision warning, traffic sign recognition, cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, and auto stop. Application of advanced driver assistance systems is growing rapidly with options available on most new vehicles. Many ADAS-equipped vehicles require recalibration as a result of common repairs and service related to windshields, wheel alignment, suspension and tires, collision, and general maintenance, impacting all types of repair shops and creating an opportunity for business growth and profitability. Introducing EZ ADAS, the premier recalibration system, ready to integrate with your existing ADAS-capable diagnostic tool for the most efficient and cost-effective experience. The EZ ADAS is flexible and lightweight for convenient setup and calibration. Its folding cross-beam design allows for easy transport and storage. EZ ADAS features a unique, fast, and precise centerline setup based on OEM procedures for easy operation, providing everything a shop needs for a complete ADAS recalibration service. Have the power of our data right at your fingertips. Through our mobile app, simply select the vehicle to access our exclusive step-by-step videos and vehicle-specific recalibration procedures. With the EZ ADAS solution, we provide consolidated OEM-compliant calibration procedures with our unique target placement system in a simple-to-use, highly accurate, space-saving design. An investment in this comprehensive calibration system will allow your shop to compete more effectively in today's advanced environment by expanding your shop services and enhancing productivity and overall profitability. EZ ADAS is the way of the future, and the future is now.